this afternoon, this morning. Mr. Michael Foster, who's right behind me here, got a nice little meat hog boar this morning, and I'm out here this afternoon hunting with my Airforce Airguns Texan, which I'll show you in just a minute, and really excited about this hunt. Wanted to have this gun on a hog hunt for a long time, and we're out here at DB Hunting Ranch, and we're going to see what we can make happen. So the feeder's getting ready to go off. That's the way we hunt here in Texas and on this ranch, and so we should have some hogs here pretty soon. I'm pretty excited. If you're excited, thanks so much for watching. Baby, pork chops down. What do you think, Michael? Is that a good shot?
That's a good pig right there.
All right.
Well, we got us a big black hog tonight. Airforce Airguns, Airforce Texan. Could not be happier with this gun. This is an amazing shot, and made a headshot on her, and can't say enough about really good ammunition and good air guns. And just the mighty power of something like the Airforce Texan. You know, it really shows up on a hog like this. What do you have to say, Mike?
I am really impressed with this air gun. Definitely do some shopping on Airforce's website. I witnessed it for myself tonight, so it was great to witness that.
That's great. Thanks so much for watching us.